What if I told you one of the most refreshing drinks you can make at home is as simple as tamarind, water, and a touch of sweetness? No fancy ingredients, no complex steps, just pure natural flavors. Hello, family. Welcome back to Shirley's Kitchen. Today I'm welcoming all my new subscribers. You're welcome, 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 and thanks for visiting the kitchen. So today I'm making a delicious juice called tamarind, and just watch and see how I do this. So I'm peeling off the skin, the outer layer, which is the skin right here, all of that, and I'm gonna throw those in my compost. I'm not wasting anything here. So this is gonna take a while to get all cleaned up. Just removing the meat from the shell. So we're all done, and this is what's left of the tamarind, and all of this going in my compost like I said before. So now I'm gonna rinse this with cold water, and don't worry about if some skin is behind, because we're gonna strain this juice anyway. So this is what I got. I'm gonna pour it in here. Just pour in my water. Soaked in. We don't want to do a lot of water at one time because we don't really have a lot. So we want a nice, powerful juice. So we're gonna sit that there for a couple of, maybe an hour to soak in, and then I'm gonna rub it all in and show you guys the next step. So family, I'm checking on the tamarind, and it's coming together good. Literally, you can see the meat coming off. I'm wearing my gloves, so we're down to the seed. We don't need the seed. There it is, looking like it's coming together. Look at the condensity of the water. So I think I'm gonna strain this off and let it soak some water. The seeds are coming out, so the seeds in there. We still have meat on there, so I'm gonna just pour this all in, sweeten that up, and let the rest soak again. Family, so I went ahead and soak a second time, and now I'm just like rubbing off this meat with my hand. I'm wearing my gloves, and this is how you do it, and I just squeeze and get the most of it. And I think this is it, because I want the tamarind juice to taste like tamarind, not watered down so much. I believe that's it. It's what's left of it, seeds and the pulps. We're not going to use that. Just want the meat to make that lovely juice. That's it. No more, no less. There we go. That's it. Let me go ahead and add my sugar. So family, I'm going to be sweetening this thing for you guys. And I'm going to start off with, this is about 5 tablespoons, but I'm not going to use all. I'm going to do it slow and taste. And we're going with the cane sugar. You guys could do your dates sugar and your stevia and all the other sweeteners. We're just keeping it authentic today. Straight from yard. Tamarind juice. So that was 4. We're doing 5. Maybe 6 heaping. Let's see. Remember, tamarind is very tart, so we're gonna give it a sweet taste, tart and sweet today. So I'll give it another taste. Good. So I'm gonna do the last whole thing. And that's about a good cup of sugar right there. You guys can add more sugar if you want to yours. But I believe this is satisfying for me. Let's see. Good. No more, no less. So finally, we're gonna pour. We're not even gonna strain this. Actually gonna pour as is. We don't want to get rid of all that fiber that we need. Let's pour this. Look at that, family. Nice and refreshing. Get one for you, Caroline.
Yum. Nice and tart.
Tart and sweet. Oh, it's sweet tarts. Okay. Let's see. Family refreshing. Try that one. And have a happy holiday. God bless.